Good morning, students. Today I will solve all questions of Brain Teaser, page 239 to 241. Question number 1a. If the mean of 7, 4, x and 10 is 8, the value of x is. You know that mean equal to sum of all observations by the number of observations. Here total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4. So mean equal to 7 plus 4 plus x plus 10 by 4. And mean is given that 8. So 8 equal to 21 plus x by 4 is equal to 32 equal to 21 plus x. Therefore x equal to 32 minus 21 equal to 11. So second number is the correct answer. Now B, the observation that occurs maximum number of times in a data is called mod. Question number 3 is correct. C, the heights in centimeter of 6 students in a class are 145, 152, 148, 150, 153, 146. The median of the heights is. So we arrange the data in ascending order. That is 145, 146, 148, 150, 152, 153. Here total number of observations n equal to 6 or 6 which is even number. So median equal to 1 by 2 square bracket n by tooth plus n by tooth plus 1 items. So 1 by 2 n equal to 6. So 6 by 2, that is third terms plus fourth terms equal to 1 by 2. Here third term is 148 and fourth term is 150. So 148 plus 150 by 2 equal to 298 by 2 equal to 149 centimeters. So 1 is correct answer. So question number D. The mean height of 5 students is 41 kg and the mean weight of 5 students is 51 kg and the mean weight of 4 students is 54 kg. The mean weight of 9 students will be. So the mean weight of 9 students equal to 5 multiply 51 plus 4 multiply 54 by 9 equal to 255 plus 216 by 9 kg equal to 471 by 9 kg. Now divide it is equal to 52.333 kg. So answer 3 between 52 kg and 53 kg. This mean 52.333 kg lies between 52 kg and 53 kg. So answer 3 is correct. Now question E. The mean of first 10 odd numbers is. The mean of first 10 odd numbers equal to 1 plus 3 plus 4 5 plus dot dot plus 19 by 10. First 10 odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus dot dot plus 19 by 10. You know that sum of odd numbers equal to n square. So here number of odds is 10. So 10 multiply 10 divided by 10 equal to 10 cancel equal to 10. So correct answer is 1. Now question number 1b. Question 1. Calculate the mod of the given observations. So first of all we arrange mod equal to 1.33. which occurs 3 times. 1.3 occurs 3 times. So mod equal to 1.3. Name the three measures of central tendency. You know that mean, median and mode are called the three measures of central tendency. Question C. Find the mean of prime numbers between 70 and 100. So first of all, write the prime numbers between 70 and 100. You know that these prime numbers are 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Therefore, mean equal to sum of all observations by the number of observations. So here total number of observations 6. So 71 plus 73 plus 79 plus 83 plus 89 plus 97 by 6 is equal to 492 by 6 equal to 82. Question number B, D. What is the median of the observations 36, 48, 29, 62, 71 and 84? So arrange in ascending order, that is 29, then 36, then 48, then 62, then 71, then 84. Here n equal to 6, which is even. So median equal to 1 by 2 square bracket 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1 items, that is 1 by 2 equal to third. 6 by 2 means third terms and 6 by 2 plus 1 means fourth terms. So find the sum of third and fourth terms divided by 2. So here third term is 48 and fourth term is 62. So 48 plus 62 by 2. Sum of 48 and 62 equal to 110 by 2 equal to 55. Question B, E. The mean of 16 numbers is 8. If 2 is added to every number, find the new mean. The new mean equal to old mean plus 2, add 2 equal to 10. So the new mean equal to 10. Question number 2. Find the mean, median and mode of the given data. First of all, we arrange the given data in ascending order. So write in this way: 32, 32, 34, 35, 35, 35, 42. Here, therefore, the mean equal to 32 comes 2 times. 32 occurs 2 times, so 32 multiply 2 plus 34 plus 35 occurs 3 times, so 35 multiply 3 plus 42 by total number of observations, that is 7. So 32 multiply 2 64 plus 34, 35 multiply 3 105 plus 42. Sum of all observations equal to 245 by 7 equal to 35. Here now total number of observations equal to 7. So n equal to 7, which is odd. Therefore the median equal to 1 by 2 plus 7 plus 1th terms, that is 8 by 4th terms, that is 4th terms. Here 4th terms is 35. So median equal to 35. Now mod equal to also 35, because 35 occurs 3 times, maximum number of times. So mod is also 35. Mean 35, median 35 and mod also 35. Now question number 3. The mean of 40 observations was 160. It was detected on rechecking that the value 165 was wrongly copied as 125 for computation of mean. Find the correct mean. The sum of 40 observations equal to 160 multiply 40 equal to 16 4j 64 and put 20, that is 6400. The correct sum of 40 observations equal to 6400 plus 165 minus 125 equal to 6400 plus 40 equal to 6440. So the correct mean equal to 6440 by 40 equal to 161. Now question number 4. The mean of 10 numbers is 20. If 5 is subtracted from every number, what will be the new mean? The sum of 10 numbers equal to 20 multiply 10 equal to 200. The sum of 10 numbers when 5 is subtracted from every number equal to 200 minus 10 multiply 5 equal to 200 minus 50 equal to 150. Therefore the new mean equal to 150 by 10 equal to 15. And another methods, directly you can do the old mean equal to 20, and if 5 is subtracted from every number, so the new mean equal to 20 minus 5, that is 15. Now question number 5. Find the median of the following observations. 46, 64, 87, 41, 58, 77, 35, 90, 55, 92, 33. So arrange the given data in ascending order. Write in ascending order. 33, 35, then 41, 46, 55, 58, 64, 77, 87, 90, 92. Here n equal to 11, which is odd. So median equal to n plus 1 by 2 items equal to 11. N equal to 11. So 11 plus 1 by 2 item, that is 6th item, and 6th item, 6th observations is here 58. So median equal to 58. If 92 is replaced by 99, 92 is replaced by 99 and 41 by 43 in the above data, find the new median. So arrange the new data in ascending order, that is 33, 35, 43, 46, 55, 58, 64, 77, 87, 90, 99. Here n equal to 11, which is odd, and new median equal to n plus 1 by 2th item, that is 11 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 6th item, and here 6th item is also 58. So new median and old median also 58, 58. Question number 6. Find the mod of 2 hold 1 by 4, 3.5, 4.1, 3 hold 1 by 2, 2 hold 1 by 2, 0.5. The given data can be written in decimal forms. 2 hold 1 by 4 can be written in decimal form 2.25, 3.5, 4.1, and 3 hold 1 by 3, that is 3.5, and 2 hold 1 by 2 can be written as 2.5, 0.5. Arrange the given data in ascending order is equal to 0.5, 2.25, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5, 4.1. Here 3.5 occurs most frequently, that is 2 times. Therefore mod equal to 3.5. Now question number 7. The results of pass percentage of class 10 and 12 in CBSE examination for 5 years are given below. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. First of all, find the horizontal line OX, that is called x-axis, and vertical line OY, that is called y-axis or ordinate. They intersect at a point O. This intersecting point O is called origin. Now the years can be represented on x-axis, and pass percent represents on y-axis, ordinate on ordinate. Now draw the bar. Here colored bar shows the pass percentage of standard 10, and white blank bar or rectangle represents the pass percentage of standard 12. So in 2004-5 session 2004-5. Pass percentage of 10 is 90 and 12 is 95. So represent 10 on 90 and 12 95. Clearly on the showing this bar graph, the correct, look at carefully. Now hot questions. The average age, question number 1, the average age of class 35 students in 14 years. If the teacher's age is included, the average age increased by 1 year. Find the age of the teacher. The sum of the ages of 35 students equal to 35 multiply 14 years, that is 490 years. Let the age of teachers be x years. The average age of 35 students and a teacher equal to 14. The average age of 35 students and a teacher equal to 14 plus 1, that is 15 years. The sum of the ages of 35 students and a teacher equal to 36 multiply 15 equal to 540 years. So according to the question, 490 plus x equal to 540. Therefore x equal to 540 minus 490. Therefore x equal to 50. The age of the teacher equal to x years, that is 50 years. But in answer 40 years, that is wrong. 50 years is correct answer. Question number 2. The average marks of 10 students is 60. The sum of marks obtained by 10 students equal to 60 multiply 10 equal to 600. If the highest mark is excluded, the average is 59. Excluded. Let the highest mark be x. The sum of marks obtained by 9 students equal to 59 multiply 9 equal to 531. According to the question, 531 plus x, 500 यानी sum of marks obtained by 9 students equal to 531 plus highest marks x equal to 600. So x equal to 600 minus 531, therefore x equal to 69. Therefore the highest marks obtained by the students equal to 69. Question number 3. The mean of two numbers is 10 and their difference is 0. Find the number. Let a and b be two numbers. Therefore a plus b equal to 10 multiply 2 equal to 20, and their difference, so a minus b equal to 0. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2a equal to 20, therefore a equal to 10. Putting a equal to 10 in question 1, we get 10 plus b equal to 20, therefore b equal to 20 minus 10, therefore b equal to 10. Hence the required numbers are 10 and 10. Now enrichment questions. You have given that find the mean, median and mode of the following observations. Observations are given in this way: 75%, 3.2 and 450%, 0.25 and 3 hold 1 by 5 and 1.54. First of all, convert into decimal. The given data convert into decimal. 75%, that means 75 by 100, so equal to 0.75. 3.2 and 450%, yani 450 by 100 equal to 4.50. 0.25 and 3 hold 1 by 5 means 3.2 and 1.54. Arrange the given data in ascending order. Write in ascending order: 0.25, 0.75, 1.54, 3.2, 3.2, 4.50. Therefore, the mean equal to sum of all observations by the total number of observations equal to 0.25 plus 0.75 plus 1.54 plus 2 multiply 3.2 plus 4.50 equal to 0.25 plus 0.75 equal to 1 and 1.54 plus 2 multiply 3.2 equal to 6.50 plus 4.50 by 6 equal to 13.44 by 6 equal to 2.24. Here n total number of observation n equal to 6 which is even. Therefore median equal to 1 by 2 square bracket n by tooth plus n by tooth plus 1th items equal to 1 by 2 6 by 2 n equal to 6. So n by tooth plus 6 by 2 plus 1th items equal to 1 by 2 plus 3rd and 4th items equal to 1 by 2. Third item equal here third terms equal to 1.54 and fourth term equal to 3.20 equal to 1 by 2 multiply sum of 1.54 plus 3.20 equal to 4.74 divided by 2 equal to 2.37. 3.2 occurs most frequently, that is 2 times. Therefore the mod equal to 3.2. Thank you. Have a nice day.